Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this animation in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. Then adjust the anchor point so it's perfectly centered on the text. Select the pen tool. Before doing anything, I simply turn off the fill option, and then I draw a straight line like this. Then adjust the anchor point so it's perfectly centered on the line. Then I deselect everything, and then I select the ellipse tool. Also, I turn on the fill option. Create a perfect small circle over here like this. After that, I parent this layer to the rope layer. And then I change the anchor point position of this line like this. So if I rotate this layer, you can see both shapes rotate together. Then I rotate this rope like this and add a keyframe on the rotation property. I select all the keyframes and easy ease them. It will change the motion very smoothly. Then you can adjust the keyframes, if needed, as I am doing, to get a perfect motion. And when you are satisfied with your animation, you can move forward. Now I select the light layer, and I search an effect called glow, and add it to this layer. Then I add another effect called fill, and add it to this layer too. Then I change the color to match the text color, and then I duplicate the glow effect, and change the glow radius to something around 200. This will make it appear as if the text is glowing. You can adjust the settings to your preference, and duplicate the glow effect for times or as many times as you like. Next, I duplicate the light bulb layer, and position it above the light layer. Then, I select the text layer and set its track matte to text glow. After that, I open the scale property of the text glow layer and increase its size like this.